Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to keep building our little drive clone. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to work on permission. So as you might recall, in Google Drive there's a way to share the file with somebody. By default it's only viewable to you, but if you want to change it, what we can do, basically if you want to change it, let's see, yeah, so if you want to change the permission so that other people can see it, there's usually two ways. I mean, not two ways, there's only one way, but there's a two method, sort of. So you can either change it to unlisted, so everyone with a link can view it. We can only share it to certain users. Okay, certain users. Okay, so let's see how should we design that. Start with the model. So I was thinking we're going to have a permission models created. Alright, and they're going to have a permission, we're going to have a type. Alright, and type, in this case, it's really a integer field, because it's going to happen is 0 represent private, 1 represent unlisted, 2 represent specific user. So there's technically another one is if you are using GSuite, it also has specific organization you're in, but we're going to skip that. Specific users. So we're going to say let's see. So type user accessible models the knowable. Let's see, how should we represent it? Let's see. So what I want to do is we'll be able to store a list of emails, basically. We can say then we can say class user permission. So we're going to have the permission ID attached here. So it's user ID. Oh yeah, also we're going to have ability. It's just also integer field. So basically in this case, 0 is read. One is comment. 2 is edit. But for now, we're not going to worry about ability because it's not like we have we're going to add a text area where they can actually like edit. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna maybe add that in future videos. Let's see. So we have user ID. Then what we're going to say is, let's say, ability. Integer choice. I don't know. Let's just say integer field. Okay, so I wonder how Google Drive does it actually. So because I'm not sure does Google Drive get the ability that you can share with different users with different rights. I think you can. We'll worry about that in a bit. Okay, so now I have these model created. Looks good. Alright, let's go ahead and cut it and make migrations. And then, so basically what might happen is we will keep implementing it. And then the next we're going to implement a Google Doc. We'll try to see if we can implement something similar to Google Doc. Maybe use the CK editor again. Because we need that when we're designing, recreating Google Classroom. That's actually one of the features we want to do. Going to be related. And then we'll generate this, do all the like API related stuff. Okay, so now we should run the server again. It says into. Perfect. All right, let me go and implement a route. Go to views. Say set permission request, and basically it's going to be a form that I can fill out. So I'm going to get the bootstrap out. Oops. Form is individual tab. Okay. Been a while since I actually go to bootstrap. Okay, so now let's go ahead and implement the set permission. How the front end will work is it will submit 3 different fields in like comma separated value. It's going to be so they will choose the readable users, commentable users, and editable users. For now, there's no practical difference, but we'll do that anyway. We'll set like assume there is some practical differences. All right, let's get S3 name here. Okay, so set permissions. The route is going to be pass file /stir S3 name / permissions. Use the set permission package set permission. Okay, there we go. All right, so now let's go ahead and create. So then we can go ahead and say let's go ahead and do this. Yeah, I'm gonna copy that, paste it right here. All right. Then what we're going to do is we're going to say if request a method to post else pass. Okay. So if it is post, then what we want to do is we want to say readable users equals to models dot not models equals to request dot post dot bracket readable. All right, and then we're going to have commentable users commentable, and we're going to have editable users editable. All right. Okay, good. And then if it's that's a return render request dashboard / set permission the HTML. Let's do that. Set permission the HTML. Let's copy that. Okay. Let's see which form will work the best. Maybe layout. Let's take a look what layout does it have. All right. horizontal. Yeah, this works the best. The horizontal form. Okay, so we'll copy this then. Let's go ahead and say set permission. Form action. Well, message is going to be posed, that's for sure. Alright. Okay, so let's go ahead and say permissions. Is a directory. What? Oh, it's not dashboard, it's dry. Oh, wait, what? Wait a minute. Oh my god. Okay. We'll have to rename it. That's for sure. It's gonna be called dashboard. It had to be called drive dashboard. And that means anybody who has this dashboard needs to get changed to drive dashboard. Alright. Drive dashboard. Drive dash. My goodness. Alright, there we go. Okay, set permissions so they can fill their permissions here. So actually, what we're going to do is we want to choose let them to choose a type first. Let's see. So basically, I want them to choose a type. Basically, they want to be what? Unlisted, private. By default, it's private. And then we have also called unlisted. And public. And specific. Specific user can access. Specific, and just all lowercase everything. Alright, by the way, if you've been filling out the raffle form, I haven't replied yet, I will do that. I haven't said that actually there's new people filling in the form. That's on my bad, sorry about that. Alright, let me see. Yeah, no, my own won't work. Whatever, let's just call this. It's visually hidden. I don't want it to be hidden. Okay, yeah, prefer status. Okay, so we're not going to do fancy JavaScript, and in here we're just going to assume if user follow our direction. So we're going to say if chose specific user above fills this part. If there's multiple emails separate by a single comma only. Okay, so then in here the email going to be read, only read. Read and comment. And then editable. Let's remove the placeholder. I don't like it. All right, there we go. Okay, so yeah, this might be take two-part videos. Okay, so let's refresh again. Nice. All right, so basically we can do potentially have a JavaScript do the fancy. So if it chose this option, then we'll display this form. But then actually we could do that. It shouldn't be that hard. Let's try to optimize it because I'm pretty sure once we finish it up, we don't want to optimize it anymore. Okay. Yeah, so let's optimize it. So let's give a ID for it. Status. Let's refresh. Document. Get element by ID. Status. The value. Private. Good. Good. Real good. All right. So we'll say documents that get element by ID. Status. The unchange. Then we'll say if equals to specific, then we only want the specific user to be able to access it. Then okay, and then we're going to give all of this a class. So basically we're gonna have a style. Gonna have a hidden class, and then here we'll say how to hide something. I forgot. I completely forgot how to div in CSS. Display, right? Display is not. Okay, so now by default it will have it on. Style, not style class, is head. Oh shoot, wait, yeah. Nice, okay. So if it is now what we want to do is we want to say document dot remove attribute class. Alright, let's go do that. Specific people can access. Okay. Let's remove the class should help. Apparently didn't. Still have to do class hidden though. Oh, okay. It's not status remove. It's Okay, I need to give you an ID too. Specific user form. Copy that. Put it here. Quick refresh. Alrighty, let's try again. Specific user can access. Alright, give us an error. That's good. That means JavaScript's working. Remove attribute of no. Do you mean by remove attribute? No. Oh, okay. Didn't have the ID up. It's okay. Now do you have it inside your parentheses? Oh my god. Are you still? Oh, okay. Specific user can access. Nice. Okay. So now basically what we want to do is want to say else. Then dot set attribute class to hidden. Alright, we're gonna set them to hidden. There we go. Everything works. Okay. So you know what? I think I will call wrap on this video. I'm not sure how long has it been, but I want to keep it less than 30 minutes per each video. So next video we're going to implement the back end of it. So what happened when different users choose different choice, only read, written, and editable, stuff like that. I might also do some validation along the way. We'll see. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment down below. And as always, stay safe and have a nice day. DevWithMe, out.